Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature Art and Life. Today I have an In Love Art Shop unboxing for you, so let's get right into it. Okay, so In Love Art Shop has reached out to me again and asked me if I could review some product for them. I will share my last video with you all from In Love Art Shop. It was a lot of fun to create with the stuff that they had sent. So this time I received a bunch of dies and then one other fun little thing. He asked me to pick out $40 US. So first thing I got was this die, and it's a little picket fence. And then another die set. It's a window with a window box and some flowers. A large flower set. And then I also got this flower set here. And then I got this cute little paper pad. It's actually quite tiny. And I saw some of the images in it and I thought it was going to be so fun to use. So I got that as well. All right, and I'm going to show you what all these dies look like, as well as the little paper pad. Okay, so just so you know, I will have links to all the items here down in my description box, as well as a discount code and for you all to use. And I will also post the website to In Love Art Shop in my description box as well. So go check it out. They have so many fun crafty things. It was so hard for me to choose, but yeah, I'm excited to play with all these things. So let me share all of the fun goodies. Okay, here is the little booklet of papers, and oh my word, this is so cute. First, I just want to share the measurements. So each page would be 2 inches long by about 1.5 inches wide. And you can see it's quite a thick little booklet. It's about 1.25 inches. Okay, but I actually didn't know this when I had looked at it online. So there's a portion where there's like thin paper images, lots of botanicals and ephemera type, very vintage, like just lots of fun little pieces. I'm so excited to try this out. Look at the cute little mushrooms. These actually would make really cute stamps, I thought. But here's the part I didn't know. The bottom part is vellum. Oh my word, and it's gorgeous. Like so many cute images. So I am so excited to play with these. These would be great for junk journals or tags, or if you want to build your own ephemera stash. Any type of paper crafting. Oh, gorgeous. These would even make like pretty designs for cards. So this is Bennett's Manor. That's what the name of this one. And there were other styles as well. They had a really fun selection of different papers, but this one caught my eye the most because of the botanicals, the mushrooms, and all the vintage little bits and pieces in here. So, okay, so here are the cutout dies of this large, medium, and small flower. It's really pretty. As you can see, it's quite intricate. So I did have to cut these out using a precision plate, and I rubbed each die with some wax paper so that they came out smoothly. And these are going to look gorgeous, all layered up. So I will show a project using those in a later video. Okay, and then here is the cute little fence, and I love how these two, or this one, turned out. And then there's the window with the window box. And the cute little flowers that go with it and the leaves. Now these two could be used separately or together. So I'll definitely be sharing that one with you. And the other thing I thought too was that these flowers and leaves could be used with the fence. I selected all these different dies because I thought like these two could interact with each other. And then the next one I show you can interact with the large one. Okay, and then there's this one. And this one I thought was really, really fun. So there's small, medium, and large again. And these as well needed the precision plate along with some wax paper rubbed onto the dies so I get a nice clean cut. But look how they can layer. Isn't that just so much fun? And then you can add the leaves. Thought that was so pretty. And you can interchange the leaves with all of them. And then I also thought these leaves would be really pretty with these other ones. So I thought that these leaves would be really pretty with this as well, because these are a nice size. See, isn't that just so gorgeous? So yeah, it's a really good idea to look at your dies and see how you can mix them together for different projects. So I will have some projects, like completed project shares with these all, and then as well as this little guy. I'll be doing a separate video for this one. Can't wait to play around with these. I thought this was so fun. So I want to say a big thank you to In Love Art Shops for supplying all these things for me. And I want to thank you all so much for being here. I'll again have all the links to everything down in my description box, along with the website as well as a discount code. So please check it out and stay tuned for 2 more videos showcasing these items. Thank you all so much for being here. Take care. Bye.